well, more like a one-sided conversation with him. What the flying fuck? That's right.
I'll have to politely ask you to kill yourself.
That's definitely Ryan. He's trying to get himself banned. It's fucking obvious, dude. Anywho, how's it going, Ryan? I've heard that
That's really annoying. Stop.
Yes.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Of course.
It's not Ryan. That officializes it. That is not Ryan when playing.
Commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy.
Yeah, no,
yes,
dude, just do client mute, so you can't hear him.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Then he's worthless.
Alright. Yeah, that's most likely not Ryan, because Ryan would only rickroll people with just that song in general. Only if, there was actually, like...
Hey, if everything goes okay, I'll pick you up around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck
was that? Oh shit.
Seriously, stop doing it.
A baby born will die before the same chocolate rain. The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate.
Oh, you're gone. Shut the fuck up.
Everyone just mute him.
Fucking cunt.
That's my shit. Bump that shit. Where you go?
Andrew! I muted that bitch.
Oh my bad. Yeah, that's my shit though.
Oh my god, people are like...
Yeah, you don't... That was not really necessary.
They drying up the pain, rushing through my veins like ice.
I'm gonna kill them before they duel.
Hey, if everything goes okay, I'll pick you up around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Everything goes okay, I'll pick you up around 4 o'clock. Everything goes okay, I'll pick you up around 4 o'clock. Everything goes okay, I'll pick you up around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Oh my god, this nigga giving me a headache.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
God, I just muted him.
Who did that?
So annoying.
Who did that?
Holy fuck.
Oh shit.
Fudge nipples.